Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Last time I told you, beta, there are three questions, okay, which can come about the types of forest, okay, which we have in Pakistan. One question is about their location, beta. Where are they located? You must know the location. If they ask you that, okay, where are mangroves located? So you must know their location, beta. Where are the alpine forest? Okay, where are the coniferous forest, my dear? Scrub type of vegetation, riverine, bela, and also the tropical, subtropical, okay, the forest, okay, which we have in Pakistan. So their location, you must know that, beta. First thing is location. Second part of the question is that they can ask you that why is that type of forest there, beta? Why is that type of forest there? And the third question is about the uses. If in the map, okay, it comes that they say identify, okay, this forest, like you can see here. This is the map of Pakistan. You can see that, beta. There are two places they have marked, okay, as A, they are the forests. B is also a forest, beta. And C is also forest. So we have to label them, beta. And I explained, okay, in previous lesson that A, either we can label it as alpine forest. If we are labeling alpine forest, okay, and the second part of the question is that why is that forest there? It means we have to write the characteristics of alpine forest. But if you are labeling, okay, coniferous, okay, so that is also correct, beta. If you label alpine, that is also correct. And if you label A as coniferous forest, okay, so that is also correct, beta. But the second part of the question is that, okay, why is that type of forest there? If you have written or if you have labeled it as alpine forest, okay, so then in the second part of the question, you will write the characteristics of alpine forest. And if you have written coniferous forest, okay, so you will write the characteristics of coniferous forest. In the same way, B, it is riverine or bela, because this type of forest is found, okay, along river Indus and its tributaries. And C is mangrove, beta. And why is it there? Okay, so you know that it can survive in salty water. So how does it survive, okay, in the salty water? Okay, so inshallah we will study that. So last time we were on which topic, beta? Riverine and bela. Yes, beta.
Sir, we were starting man-made forests.
Okay, so we did not start the mangrove. So we did mangrove, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes.
did mangrove. Okay, yes, beta. Okay, beta. So man-made mean that a forest, okay, which has been planted, okay, by the human beings. And which one has been planted, okay, by the human beings, okay, so that will be irrigated farm of that. It means that people have to irrigate, okay, those trees where they have planted that, beta. So where are they, beta? Okay, so you can find the location several parts of Pakistan. Changamanga, it's a man-made or irrigated forest, okay, which is near Lahore. Jallo forest, okay, that is also Lahore. And also the national parks, wherever are they, beta. So we have national parks, okay, in so many areas, beta. So many areas. So like you can see that Van Bachran, okay, in Thal area, Chicha Watni district, okay, we have that. Ghulam Muhammad Beraj and also Guddu Beraj. So here we have the forest, okay, they are irrigated one, beta, or man-made, okay, they have been planted, okay, by the human beings. So we call them as a linear plantation, but a linear plantation. So why do we call okay as linear plantation, okay, which have been main planted okay by the human beings? But actually they have been planted okay in line, equal space between or among the trees, okay, equal space okay has been kept. Equal space okay is there, beta, same species. Mean one type of species okay has been planted over there, beta. So they have okay same height, same age, same size, beta, and they are regularly supplied okay with water. They are regularly supplied okay with water. Okay, you understand that? Because they have been planted okay by the human beings, so they are regularly irrigated. Because if they are not irrigated, okay, so they will die out, beta, and there will be big loss. You understand that? Because a lot of money is spent, a lot of time is spent per year, and plus okay we used okay the land part, so it will be a kind of loss, beta. That's why that they are regularly supplied or irrigated with water, beta. So this is about the linear plantation, okay, in which plants are planted okay in lines. They are given okay equal space, mean that between or among the trees which have been planted okay in the linear plantation, wherever they beta, either they are in Chichavatni, beta, they are in Changamanga, Jallo Forest, okay, even Ghulam Muhammad and Guddu Berages, okay, wherever okay this kind of plantation has been done, okay, so that is done in lines, equal space okay has been given, beta, same species. You understand that, beta? I mean one type of species of trees okay have been planted over there. So if picture is there, sometime okay they give the picture, so you will find that okay there is a kind of symmetry okay in the picture. Mean the plants okay which have been planted okay so proper or equal space okay have been given, beta. So they are some of the characteristics, okay, or what do you see okay in the scene, my dear, in the picture? Which type of plantation is that, okay, which type of forest is that, okay, so you can easily write that, beta. So you will find that the height of the trees okay will be same, age, cause they were planted okay at the same time, so their age will be same, beta. And the size, mean mean the width, we can say that okay that will be the same, beta. And the last point okay we have that they are regularly supplied okay with water. If it is not done, so you understand that they will die out, okay, and it will be big loss okay for the farmer. Up till here any question, beta?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, beta. So you can see this is figure 4.9, okay, and I have taken okay from your book, beta. Figure 4.9, beta. In this, okay, we have 2 points. The irrigated plantation mean that man-made or irrigated plantation which is done in Pakistan. So what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages, beta? So advantages, okay, you can see that they provide a source of timber for construction, fencing and firewood. Does any student know that fencing? What is fencing? Come on, boys, wake up. This is the third lesson. What is fencing?
I don't know.
Yes, boys.
So protecting it from animals.
Yes, yes. Fencing is done, my dear. Either they protect okay their crops, okay. Fencing is done. Mean that okay they build the barriers okay around the crops, my dear. Maybe around their living area, around their animals, okay. So fences So they can be built, okay, with the help of the wood, okay, which is taken, okay, from these irrigated plantation, okay, which has been done in Pakistan. Construction work, you understand that. Firewood, you understand that, beta. Leaves of the tree, okay, provide food for animals, because the branches of the tree are cut down, okay, and they are given to the farmer in the form of food. Number three, when leaf fall, okay, leads to humus formation. You know that that is a rich soil, and that increases, okay, the fertility of the soil, beta. Number four, transpiration. Transpiration, okay, from the leaves, okay, brings, okay, more rainfall and also lowers the temperature of that area. Number five, provides, okay, shade, shelter for people and animals. Number six, okay, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen into the air. And number seven, okay, they add to scenic beauty of the area and promote tourism. Eight, control surface runoff and soil erosion. It means that they control the flow of water, and if water is controlled, means the speed or flow of water is controlled, it means that soil erosion, okay, will not happen. Because if we have soil erosion, so you understand that we can have landsliding with it. And due to landsliding, okay, you understand that a lot of human losses, okay, we can have. And plus, okay, if soil erosion happen, my dear, if top layer is eroded off, it means that the rich soil, okay, has been eroded off or removed off, my dear. So that area will not be able to used, okay, for crop cultivation. If we use that, okay, so there will be less, we can say that production, okay, from that area. Next point, okay, they provide employment to the people in the forest related jobs, okay. As you have seen that when you visit, okay, mountainous areas of Pakistan, so you will find, okay, so many forest guide, beta. Tourist guide, okay, forest guide, okay, so they will help you out to see, okay, different places, beta. So it is a kind of employment, mean job, okay. They will show you the places, okay, and you will pay them, beta. Next, okay, protect the agricultural crops, okay, by providing, okay, shade and reducing water losses. Yes, even the farmers, they also plant, okay, trees, okay, from all sides of the fields. So their real purpose is that these plants, okay, will provide a kind of shade, plus, okay, they will reduce, okay, water losses. If you have open area, if you have open area and if you irrigate, okay, that field, so more water will be evaporated. But if you have the trees, so trees, okay, will reduce the temperature and there will be less water losses. More water, okay, will be kept in the field, or more water, okay, will seep into the ground. Bit like you can see that eucalyptus tree can reduce waterlogging and salinity. Bit yes, they are the types of trees. They have been planted, okay, in different areas of Pakistan where we are facing the problem of waterlogging and salinity. So these type of trees or plants, okay, so they can reduce or they can minimize waterlogging and salinity. So they are some of the advantages of irrigated plantation in Pakistan. Now we come to the disadvantages. Planting forest, okay, need high initial investment, okay, but do not give quick returns or profits, okay. So no short-term economic benefits, better. It means that in the beginning, okay, so we have to buy the plant, okay, from the nursery. If we have no our plants, in that if we have no any nursery, okay, in our area, if we don't have my own, my dear, so then I have to buy, okay, from the nursery, okay. And if we buy, okay, any tree, any plant, okay, from nursery, you understand that we have to pay money, beta. So plus, okay, we have to select the land, and in that land, okay, we will not be able to grow any crop, beta. So we have to hard work, okay, over there, work hard over there, because we need, okay, a lot of water, okay, a lot of labor is required, okay, that they should grow properly, beta. So short term mean in the 1 month, 2 months, okay, 1 year, 2 years, okay. So there will be no return, okay, from those trees, beta. A maximum, okay, 30 years, okay, you have to wait, and then you can have, okay, lot of return, okay, from that investment, beta. Did you understand this point, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you
Yes,
explain
sir.
the last point again, sir?
There are 17 students in this class, beta. And the voices came only from 3 students.
Sir,
Yes, beta, do you have any ban of talking, beta? Someone has banned you not to talk? Yes, Mubashir.
sir, can you explain the last point again, sir, please?
Which last point?
Sir, the in return, we have to wait a long time. That means, sir.
Mean that we have to spend lot of money, okay? But if we say that those plants, okay, will give us some benefits, okay, profits at early stage, okay, so that is no profit, beta. Because when they will grow properly, okay, after 5 years, 10 years, okay, so then when they will be fully properly grown, okay, so then they can provide us. Because if we cut, okay, so we will sell in the form of timber. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Number 3, trees needed to be maintained, okay, and taken care of. So they need, okay, money, okay, on regular basis, beta. As I said that, okay, we need water, that they should be irrigated. Plus, okay, if you don't have, okay, water resource or water mean irrigation means, okay, if you don't have that, so then you have to arrange that. You have to buy water, okay, from someone's tube well, okay, my dear, and you have to pay money, okay, on regular basis. Number 3 is that, okay, you need irrigation, beta. Extra burden on limited water supplies. Already, okay, the water which we have in Pakistan, so that is a limited one, beta. But if we plant, okay, a lot of trees, so definitely, okay, it will be kind of burden on the irrigation water supplies, okay, which we have in Pakistan. Number 4, loss of land, okay, for settlements, farmland, industries, transport, other uses. Because where you have planted the trees, you can't build the settlement, beta. You can't grow crops, you can't build industries, transportation, facilities, or other uses, okay, so we have that, so we will not be able to do that. Because you have planted trees and you don't want that, okay. They should human beings, okay, live over there, animals, they should not be having their herds over there. So a lot of things, okay, you have to take care of that. And next point, okay, we have that illegal cutting of trees is difficult to check, better. If you have planted the trees, okay, on a large area like the forest, okay, which we have in Pakistan, so there is a continuous area or extensive area, large area, which has almost, okay, tree on that. So even if we use, okay, some human power, okay, even if we have forest guards, that they have the duties, okay, they have to keep on checking the forest, that is someone cutting down the trees or not, better. If you have a large area, so you understand that, okay, so that will be very difficult to check illegal cutting, better. And next point we have that, better, forest fires causing, okay, damage to the environment, okay. Sometime there is no rainfall, okay, and you understand that the forest fires, sometime, okay, fires, okay, broke out in the forest, okay, and it burns, okay, large area. Plus, okay, it creates, okay, air pollution. People are affected from that, beta. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So up till now, beta, up till now we read about the types of forest, okay, which we have in Pakistan. Where are they, and how? Why are they, beta? Where, location, and why, reasons, okay? Why are they there, beta? And their uses, beta. So if they ask, okay, only one type of forest, okay, so you will write the uses of that type of forest better. You will not, overall, okay, write that, okay. As you can see that we have here importance of forests. This is overall question beta, okay. So we have not to reduce, or we have not to refer to only one type of forest beta. This is about all the forest, okay, which we have in the world, okay, in Pakistan or in the world, okay, we can say that beta. Like you can see that they are very much important, okay, for the country. They reduce, okay, air pollution. This point is understandable, my dear, by absorbing pollutants, okay, like nitrogen, and they provide oxygen better. One thing better, they also absorb, okay, carbon dioxide, okay. Number two, they provide natural habitat to wildlife. So you understand that better. Wildlife, okay, in which we have animals and birds, so they get, okay, their food from there, and plus, okay, nesting sites beta, okay, mean that shelter. So many animals, so they can get their shelter there better. Because if we cut down the trees, so we write that natural habitat will be affected better. The natural habitat of wildlife, okay, will be affected, okay, if we cut down the trees. So many species, okay, can go into that category, as we call them as endangered species better. Or if we totally destroy, okay, their habitat, so you understand that, okay, so they can go to extinct type of species better. Number three, they prevent soil erosion, as their roots, okay, hold soil, and their leaves, okay, intercept rain better. Leaves, okay, intercept rain, okay. Actually, where we have lot of trees, you know that they can reduce the air temperature better. Because if ground is heated, okay, so then air is heated more better. But as they are growing, okay, in large number and in dense farm area, so they don't let, okay, sun's heat, okay, to reach on the ground better. Mean that over the plant, okay, so light is reflected back better. So air temperature remains, okay, cool. And if clouds forms, so definitely, okay, there will be more rainfall better. Mean that they have the benefits due to more trees, more number of trees better. So we have more rainfall better. Better keep in mind that each plant, small or large one better, it matters. It matters, my dear, okay. It has a lot of importance better. Even a small plant better. Number four, they increase the fertility of soil, okay, through decomposition of soil leaves better. So you understand that better? Because when leaves fall, they decompose and they change into humus. And humus is the rich soil better. And that rich soil, okay, increases the fertility of the soil better. Next point is that, okay, they reduce flooding, okay, by regulating water supply. Yes. You know, trees are like barriers. They are like barriers beta, okay. So they can reduce the speed of water, mean that the effects of the flooding, okay, you understand that beta. When we say they are the barriers, even sound, the sound, okay, it can also be reduced beta. Like in developed countries beta, if you have seen that, where they have the railway tracks, on both sides of the railway tracks, okay, so they have planted trees. Because when railway engine, okay, crosses that area, even if sound is produced, my dear, but these plants, okay, so they absorb the sound, and more sound, okay, does not reach to the other areas, beta. It means that they reduce the sound pollution, beta. So lot of benefits, okay, we have of the plant. And for flooding, okay, so they act like barriers. For sound pollution, they also act like barrier, beta. Next point, okay, we have that they provide employment to those, okay, who work in the forest departments. We have proper forest department and people, they have their jobs, okay. So they are paid, okay, from the government, and even we have some private tourist guides. If you go visit, okay, north part of Pakistan, so these people, they provide you, okay, different facilities, and on provision of different facilities, okay, so you have to pay them better. Like in Gilgit Baltistan area, in Chitral area, Swat area, Dir area, Kashmir area, beta, Skardu, and all these areas, Mari. So if you want, okay, so there are tourist guides, okay, so they will help you out better, and their jobs are linked, okay, with scenic beauty better. That is linked, okay, with number of trees, because number of trees, okay, so they increase the scenic beauty of the area better. Okay, as well as those who work in the wood based industries better, yes, because from the forest, okay, we get timber, hardwood and softwood better. If we make furniture, we have the job better. If we are in the construction work, my dear, we have the job, okay, where we use, okay, wood, paper making, and so many cardboard making, okay, we have that. So a lot of things are made, okay, from the wood better. They attract, okay, tourism due to their scenic beauty, because trees are part of nature. They increase the beauty of the area, and if we have beauty in that area, it means that that will attract tourism. People would like to see that area better. Next point, we have that one of their products are ephedra, which is used in pharmaceutical industries better. Lot of things, okay, we get, okay, from that better. Inshallah, we have one topic about the products of the forest, okay. And what do we get, okay, from the forests, from the trees and plants, okay, which have been planted over there. So one product is that ephedra bit, okay, and it's used, okay, in pharmaceutical industry. It's a kind of raw material, okay, we can say that we take, okay, from the forest. Any question, beta?
No, sir.
Sure
No,
about
sir.
that? Those who have
Yes.
not submitted the work, beta, submit the work and don't disturb me. And if you disturb me, so definitely you will be disturbed. I'm telling you, beta. Inshallah, we will meet in next lesson, beta. Take care, Allah Hafiz.
So have you
Sir.
checked
Allah
the
Hafiz,
work?
sir.
Yes, beta.
Have you checked the work?
I will check, beta. I will check.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Okay, sir.